أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So inshallah we will continue our study of Surah Yusuf. In last class we finished here Ayah 41, and we are in the part of the Ayah where the part of the story where the Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, he was talking to the two young men who were in the prison with him, and they shared with him their dreams, and they were asking for an interpretation of those dreams from Yusuf alayhi salam. So then finally Yusuf alayhi salam, he gave them the interpretation of the dreams they had saw. So as for one of the two, he will give wine to drink to his master, to his owner, you can say, which in this case will be the king. And as for the other, he will be crucified. Then the birds will eat from his head. So this was the interpretation of the dreams both of them had seen. So that's where we had ended. So inshallah we will start from ayah number 42 today. And I'm going to request Taimia, inshallah. Are you listening, Taimia?
Yes.
Okay. Can you read, please?
وقال للذين ظن أنه ناج منهما اذكرني عند ربك
That's good.
فأنسه.
In the Rabbik, huh?
Okay. And قال, he said, للذي
Li.
Li for الذي, the one who ظن, guess.
Yeah, there are two very different meanings. It also means he believed. Zanna, he guessed, he thought, or Zanna also means he believed. So Zanna, you can say he believed over here.
أنه indeed him.
No, Anna doesn't mean indeed. Anna means that.
Who him.
No, Anna, when Anna comes with a dhamir, for example, who, we say he. We don't say him. That, he. Okay.
Okay. Najim.
Mm-hmm. Najin, huh? Naja. So Naja is the first word. I give you the first word, Taimia. And you tell me what does Najin mean. You see the first word?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Naja means he was safe.
He was safe.
So what is Najin then? Can you do the TPA of Naja? Naja sounds like which word? To me, it sounds like da'a. Da'a yad'u. Naja yanju.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can do the TPI like we do it for da'a. Go ahead.
Naja. Naja. Naju.
Najau.
Najau. Najaita.
No. Najauta.
Najauta. Najautum. Najautu. Najauna.
Yanju.
Yanjuru. Yanjuruna.
Yanjuna.
Yanjuna. Tanjuru. Tanjuruna. Anjuru. Nanjuru.
Nanju. Say ju. Nanju.
Nanju.
Yeah.
Um.
Like udu. Unju. Unju, la tanju. Be safe. Unju, la tanju. Unju, like udu. Unju, la tanju. What is ismul fa'il?
Na,
Najin. Huh?
Najin.
Najin.
Na,
Like da'in. Najin. So Najin means what now?
the one who was safe.
The one who is safe. Yeah.
Min from huma.
What is huwa?
Huwa he,
Hiya.
she,
Hum.
them,
They. Hum.
they,
They. What is huma?
they,
Two of them.
two of them.
Yeah. Huwa means he. Hum mean they. But for two, there is a separate word. Huma. Two of them. Min huma. Meaning?
From two of them.
Mm-hmm.
Udhkuru, idhkur,
No, it is not iskur, Taimia.
udhkur,
Uzkur. What will be the first word?
takara,
Zakara. What's mudare? First mudare.
takara, yakaduru,
Zakara yazkuru. Like nasara.
yansur,
Nasara yansuru. Uzkur. Nazakara means he mentioned. So what's the meaning of uzkur?
they mentioned,
Hmm?
they mentioned,
No, 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 no.
Mention.
mention,
What is it? Is it al-madi? Is it al-mudare? Is it failul amr? Failul nahi? What is it? Uzkur.
fi'al amr,
Failul amr. So translate it like we translate a failul amr. Uzkur. Please. Taimiyah. Zakara means he mentioned. So uzkur. Yeah, you have no idea?
no,
Tanjeen. Repeat it.
Like I said, it means mention.
Mention. You mention. Uzkur. Hmm?
udhkur, you mentioned me, inda, near, Rabbika, your Lord.
Combine.
And he said, for the one who believes that he is the one who is safe with
From. Min means from. Keep going, Taimiyah.
from
Both of them.
both of them. You mention me near your Lord.
Yeah, mention me near your Lord or in the presence of your Lord, your master. And your Lord doesn't mean Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala here. It is his worldly master. Because in those days, there used to be masters and there used to be slaves. So Rabbika means your master, not Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is not referring to Allah. Okay, thank you, Taymiyah. And he said, yani, Yusuf alayhi salam said, and he said to the one who he believed that he is safe from both of them. And what did he say? Mention me in the presence of your Lord, or mention me with your Lord, your master, your owner. Because he's gonna be released. So Yusuf alayhi salam, he said to him that mention my name, mention me in front of your Lord, with your Lord, in the presence of your Lord or your master.
Shahbaz uncle, like when you're translating and like in word by word, it still means near, right?
Yeah, near or with. Mostly it is translated as near or with. Yeah. Okay. Do we have let me see. Just give me a second. Abir, do you have Abir with us?
Yes. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Go ahead, Abir.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم فأنساه الشيطان ذكر ربه فلبث في السجن بضع سنين. So أنساه, he caused him to forget الشيطان, the shaitan, ذكر, the mention, ربه, his Lord, so لبث, he remained, in السجن, the prison, بضع, several, سنين, years. So the shaitan caused him to forget the mention of his master, so he remained in the prison for a few years.
Yeah. So Ansa, what chapter that will be, Abir?
أنسى ينسي إنسى أغنى يغني إغناء باب فعل.
Very good. And how about Labisa?
لبث يلبث
يلبس.
لبث يلبث سمع يسمع.
Yeah, Labisa means he remained, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So because Yusuf alayhi salam knew that, this person who is going to be saved and he will leave the prison, he could be a source of his release from the prison. And that is why he said, mention me with your master. But what happened is that that guy who left the prison forgot to mention. He did not mention his Yusuf alayhi salam to his master. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us, the devil, the shaitan, made him forget the mentioning to his master, mentioning of Yusuf to his master. The word Yusuf is not mentioned, but that's what it means. He forgot to mention the name of Yusuf. So the shaitan made him forget the mentioning to his master. So he remained, Yusuf alayhi salam remained. He remained in the prison a few years. Sinin is a plural of sanatun, and it means sinuna and sinina. These are two plurals, and sinina is used here, which means years. So he remained in the prison for a few years. Now, next ayah is a long ayah, so I will see how much we can do in today's lesson, because we also have to go to the breakout room. So may I request brother Hamad to help with this one?
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وقال الملك إني أرى 7 بقرات سمان يأكلهن سبع إجاف و7 سنبلات خضر وأخر يابسات.
That's good, inshallah.
Okay. So and قال, he said, Al-Maliku, قال الملك to his
No,
master.
Malik is like Kul a'udhu bi rabbil
The king.
Kul a'udhu bi rabbin nas malikin nas.
Yeah, the
So
king.
what is Malik?
Yeah, king or master, right?
Yeah, king. Yeah.
Yeah. Inni, indeed, I I see 7.
I saw. Yeah.
I saw. Yeah, that's the fi'l madi. 7 baqaratin, the cows.
Ji.
Simanin, fat. Yeah.
Is it singular or plural, brother?
Well, this is a plural.
Plural. What is the singular? Samin.
Samin?
Yeah, Samina Yasmanu. He was fat. And Samin is the one who is fat. And Siman is the plural. So
Yeah.
Bakaratin Simanin. What kind of fragment is that?
Sifa Mawsuf.
And what it means?
This means like a salmon cows.
Means Bakaratin
Very
Simanin.
fat. Yeah, fat cows.
Fat cows. Ji.
Ya'kuluhunna, they are eating them.
No. Ya'kulu.
Oh, yakuli. Yakulu. So he was eating or he will eat. He is,
He eats or
yeah,
he will eat.
yeah. He eats or he will eat. Hunna, them.
Ji.
Sab'un, seven. Ijafun, that is slim.
Yeah, slim or lean. Yeah. It's
Okay.
from ajifa. Ajifa ya'jafu. And from that we have ajaf and ajfa, and ajaf is a plural of that. Like in the same weight as siman.
Siman.
Siman, ajaf. So siman means fat. Ajaf is the opposite of it. Ji.
Okay. Wasab'a, and seven. Sumbulatin. Sumbulatin is mm, that is
I written here. Sumbulatun is one
I,
cornea.
sorry, I
One
can
cornea. And sumbulat is just a plural of that. Corneas.
Mhm.
Yeah.
That's
The
good.
whole corn, with the grains and everything in it. The whole thing is called a cornea.
Okay. Khudrin as green, wa ukhar and other, yabisati. And the other, the dry one, the dry.
Yabisa basu. Yabisa means he was dry. What will be the small fine?
Yabisun.
Yabisun. What will be the feminine of that?
Yabisatun.
Yabisatun.
Oh,
Singular,
yabisatun.
right?
Yes,
And what is the plural of yabisatun?
yabisatun.
Yabisatun. So those feminine, something feminine which is dry. And ukhar is also a plural. Others.
Okay,
It
so,
is the plural of akhar. Akhar means other. Ukhar with others. Let's combine it.
and the king said, "Indeed, I saw 7 fat cows eating them. Oh, sorry, eating salmon
No.
lean. They're eating salmon leans.
Now listen, what is the inside door of Yakulu?
He. Oh,
When he is the inside door, we look for.
outside door.
Can Hunna be the outside door?
Yep.
No.
Oh, sorry, that is not, but sabun ijafun.
Why Hunna cannot be the outside door?
Why can't it be? Because this is plural, and we are looking for.
No. That's not the reason. The reason should be Hunna is a damir, is a pronoun. Do you agree?
Yep.
Yeah. When a pronoun, a damir, is attached to a verb, which is the case here, that pronoun is always in what status?
Oh, this is
Nasab.
okay.
Remember this and never forget, everyone.
Okay.
This is very, very, very important. I think I mentioned this before. Whenever a damir, like huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu, hiya, hunna, anti, antunna, ana, nahnu, any of them in the attached form, they change a bit when they attach themselves to something. And when they attach themselves to a verb, then they are always in rafa status, sorry, nasab status, because they are the maf'ul. He eat them. So hunna is a maf'ul, and that is why it is in nasab status. So is there a outside door here? Hunna is not an outside door. So what is the outside door here if it exists?
I think these next two are the outside to a subordinate.
Okay, all right. Let's start from the beginning and do this again.
Okay, so the king said, "Indeed, I saw 7 fat cows eating salmon lean." They are
7
oh,
lean are eating them.
okay.
Who is eating who over here?
Yeah, 7 lean are eating the fat ones. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so the king said, "Indeed, I saw 7 lean."
7 fat. Okay, let's you do it.
Sorry, okay, so the 7
I
fat.
saw, you can go to here, sab'a, right after this.
Okay. So I saw 7 lean
Oh no.
eating
You know what? We have to stay with the order. Indeed, I saw 7 fat
7
cows.
7 fat cows eating
No.
salmon eating
Comma. Put a comma there. I saw 7 fat cows, comma,
salmon lean eating them.
eating them. Yeah, now it makes sense.
Okay, so I'm just gonna do it again. So the king said, "Indeed, I saw 7 fat cows, 7 slim eating them,
Mm-hmm.
and 7 corn ears of corn or corn ear, green actually, the green ears of corn and other dry,
Dry.
other
Dry.
dry. Yeah.
So what did the king saw? King saw a dream.
Yeah.
Okay. Indeed, and he's narrating that dream to some people in his court. The king said, "Indeed, I saw 7 fat cows, 7 fat cows, comma, put a comma there. 7 lean ones, 7 lean cows. Cows is not mentioned again, but what it refers to. 7 lean ones eating them. So lean are eating the fat. And 7 green corn ears, 7 green corn ears, and others are dry. So he saw 7 green ones in the dream, and there were some other corn ears which were dry. So this is what he saw in the dream. Now we have to go to the breakout room. We cannot complete this ayah.